Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add cash to your Revolut account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now in case you haven't downloaded Revolut yet, or you have someone that you would like to invite, then you're very lucky because we have a very special link offer just for you. To download Revolut, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or until you see the first link in the comment section below. Once you go there and you click on it, you'll be invited to this page where you can sign up with your phone number from any country that you would like, and you will receive a referral bonus and the best method to transfer money on your accounts. Now that you're on the app itself, all you have to do is click on add money, and then from here it will give you some options to select from your own bank accounts. Now to add cash directly, you have to go to your other bank account or your other credit card provider, deposit the cash from any ATM, and then from there you're going to add money to your Revolut account and then select the other card and then insert whatever amount of money that you would like. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.